Hey, all you soon-to-be home sellers or you borderline home sellers, who wants to learn the ropes to a successful home sale? You! We are officially kicking off the Home Sellers Boot Camp mini-series. Hey, I'm Annette Marble and I am your favorite Key Realty Agent here in Columbus, Ohio. All right, let's talk about your game plan. We need a game plan. This is first and foremost the way to go. Whether you're thinking of moving up to a house that better fits your needs, ready to downsize and stop doing yard work, or want to sell an investment property, you need a game plan. If you want to make the most money from your home sale, a game plan is where we start. Today, I'm going to lay out the time frames for what you need to do and when. If we're looking at 30 to 60 days out, this step is the foundation to a home seller's boot camp. You're going to want a professional to create a custom boot camp plan based on your scenario, your house, to be able to sell it for the most money in the least amount of time. Here's what a selling consultation would look like with me. I want to have a conversation with you. I want to learn your story. Why did you buy this house in the first place? What did you fall in love with? What do you love most about this house? The more you can tell me, the better I can make it marketable to attract the right buyers and give you a customized action plan for prepping your home for sale. Okay, so on top of that, remember at one time, you were that ideal buyer. So for your house, you should have a lot of insider information when it comes to finding the next buyer for your home. All right, so tune back in and see what's next. If you would like to get your free guide from me, please DM me or click in the link description for your Seller's Bootcamp guide to get you started and to see what it is that we can do. And as always, we're in and around Columbus, Ohio, and we're keeping it real here in real estate with Annette Marble and Associates.